Good morning, students. Good morning, each and everyone, and very happy New Year to each and everyone. So, can anyone tell me what was the previous topic I have taught you in the class? Quickly, you have to drop a message in the chat box. Let's see how many of you are remembering what I have taught you before the vacation. Yes, I have taught you the snowman and the Christmas tree. Yes. So I hope each and everyone have completed that snowman and the Christmas tree in the book. Yes. So now in this lecture, it's a very important topic you can say, and you have to keep it mind throughout your 10th standard. Okay. 10th standard तक आपको ये चीजें याद रखनी है because this topic is much more important. Okay, the topic name is primary and secondary colors. Okay, there are two types of colors. Okay, there are two types of colors. The first one is primary and the second one is secondary. Have you ever heard about primary and secondary color? How many students have heard about primary and secondary color? Just raise your hand. Okay, so can anyone tell me what are the primary colors? Which are the primary colors? Quickly drop a message in the chat box. Can you name some primary colors? Quickly. Anyone? Yes, Manasvi, very good. Red, yellow, and blue. What are the primary colors? Which are the primary colors? Red, yellow, and blue. The red, yellow, and blue are the primary colors. Okay. Which are your primary colors? I want each and everyone to please drop a message in the chat box quickly. Which are your primary colors? The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Come on, I want you to repeat after me. Prajakta, repeat after me. Which are your primary colors? The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Okay, each and everyone is getting this. Which are your primary colors? Your primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Now, what are the secondary color? What is the secondary color? The secondary colors are, yes, Pradyumna, the secondary colors are, when we say secondary color, I want you to make a slight change. Okay, when I ask you about what is the secondary colors, what you're going to say, what how you're going to repeat is red plus yellow is equal to orange. Yes, you have to keep in mind by mixing two primary colors, when we mix two primary colors, we get one secondary color. Okay, is that clear? When we mix two primary colors, that is your red and yellow, when we mix together, which color we get? We get orange shade. Okay, we get orange color. Okay, by mixing two primary colors, keep in mind. Okay, by mixing two primary colors, we get one secondary color. Okay. By mixing two primary colors, we get one secondary color. For example, if we mix red and yellow, we get which shade? We get orange shade. Okay. The second one, when we mix yellow and blue, when we mix yellow and blue together, which shade we get? We get green shade. When we mix two primary color, that is your yellow and blue, we get green shade. Is that clear? And when we mix red and blue together, which shade we get? We get violet shade. Violet shade. Okay. So red, yellow, and blue, these are your primary colors. And which are your secondary color? Red plus yellow is equal to orange. Yellow plus blue is equal to green. And red plus blue is equal to violet. So let's begin with this. Okay, I hope each and everyone can see this. This is the book. I have drawn the border of 2 centimeter. I've mentioned today's date and I have mentioned today's topic name. Your topic name is primary and secondary color. So now what you have to do is we are going to make a circle. The circle should be in the center. Okay. Your circle should be in the center. You have to draw a circle of how many centimeter? You have to take a radius of 10 centimeter and you have to make a circle. Okay. You have to make a circle. So here I have made the circle. Just look at this. I hope each and everyone can see this. I have made a circle. You have to pay attention. If you don't pay attention, you will not be able to get how to do this. Now what you have to do is you have to divide this circle into 6 equal parts. So now just pay attention. So for example, this is my center point. Okay. From this center point, I am going to make a sleeping line. Yes, just look at this. This is my center line. I have made a sleeping line over here. Now what you have to do is you have to place the rounder of 10 centimeter and you have to make a arc. Okay, what you have to do is you have to make a arc on this part. Okay, you have to take a rounder and you have to point the sharp point over here and you have to make a arc. Okay, is that clear, each and everyone? Same way, you have to draw one arc over here, then again place the pointer part of the rounder over here and again draw a arc. Okay, तो इस तरह आपको दो आर्क ऊपर बनाना है. Then again point the sharp point of the uh, the rounder and make an arc over here in this part. Again from this point place the rounder and then make a mark on this part. So now what you have to do after making this arc, what you're going to do, your line, you know, you have to make two lines. Okay, you have to make two lines. So this is how you're going to do it. Just look at this. Okay, here I have made. See, this is how you are going to divide the circle into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, I have divided this circle into 6 equal parts. Okay. Now what you have to do is we are going to start color, but before coloring, you have to mention this. First is your primary color. So first this part will be red. I'm going to leave one triangle, one piece yellow, again leaving one space blue. Yes, red, leaving one space blue, yellow, leaving one space blue. Okay, so this red, yellow and blue, I'm leaving one triangle. As you can see, I have left one triangle over here, I've left one triangle over here, and I have left one triangle over here. By leaving one triangle, I have mentioned the primary colors. Red, leaving one space, yellow, leaving one space, blue. Yes, keep in mind that. Look carefully, pay attention carefully, and then you can do it. You can take oil pastels or you can take poster color. Okay, for coloring it, you can use all these things. Here I am using my watercolor for coloring. I hope each and everyone has understood this. How to divide the circle into 6 equal parts. So let's start with this. Here I'm start coloring the circle. This is called color wheel. Okay. I'm start coloring this. So just look at this. First, I'm going to start color with the border. Your coloring should be proper. Your color should not go outside of any another shape. First, color the border and then color the inside part. First, color the border and then color the inside part. By doing this, what happens is you get a proper finishing while coloring. Okay, your color will not go outside of your shape. Okay, so this is how you're going to color it. Just look at this. Your coloring should be proper. There should be no space remaining in the center or any another part. Okay, so this is how you're going to color it. Just look at this. This is the proper way how you're going to color it. Okay, this is how you're going to color it. Okay, just look at this. This is how you're going to color. See how properly I have colored. None of my color is going out. Now I'm going to start. After this, I'm going to start coloring this yellow part. Okay. Now I'm going to take a yellow color and I'm going to start coloring this yellow. Same way, first color the border and then color the inside part. Just look at this. First color the border properly. This is how you're going to color it. And whenever you're coloring, your brush should be going in one direction. Okay, don't do it in this way. Don't do any another direction. Do it go always in one direction only. In this way you're coloring, color it in this way only. Go, keep the direction of the brush moving in one direction only. Okay, don't do here and there. Okay, so this way what happens, you will get a proper finishing coloring. Okay, so this is how you're going to color it. Just look at this. Here we have finished coloring with the yellow. Now what we are going to do is we are going to move to the blue part. So for coloring the blue, we need light blue. Okay, don't use the dark blue. We need the proper light blue color. That is a cobalt blue. Okay, start coloring with the cobalt blue. Just look at this. Color the border. This is how you're going to color the border. Just look at this. After coloring the border, start coloring with the inside part. Just look at this. Yes, this is the way how you're going to color it. So this is how you're going to color it. Yes, this is how I have finished coloring with the red, yellow, and blue. These three colors are your primary colors. Why the primary colors are called primary colors? Because we cannot make primary colors. Okay, primary colors are naturally made. We cannot make primary colors now. But the what is secondary color? The secondary colors, we can make secondary color by mixing two primary colors. We can make the secondary color. Okay, now what you have to do is red plus yellow. In this part you have to make the red and yellow. By mixing this red and yellow, which shade you're going to get? We are going to get orange shade. Okay, which shade we are going to get? We are going to get the orange shade. So in this part we are going to color it with orange. In this part we are going to color it with the orange color. Then this part, by mixing two primary colors, that is your yellow and blue, when we mix yellow and blue together, we get green shade. In this part we are going to color it with green color. Okay, and then after mixing, when we mix red and blue together, we get violet shade. Okay, we get violet shade. So here we are going to color it with violet. So let's start with this. Here I'm taking the orange color shade. I'm mixing it together. I'm taking red and yellow together. I'm going to show you a video also. In this you can easily you can see. By mixing red and yellow, we get orange color shade. So just look at this. This orange is your primary color. Okay. Sorry, the orange is your secondary color. By mixing two primary colors, we get one secondary color. For example, when we mix red and yellow together, we get one secondary color, that is your orange. Orange color we get. When we mix red and yellow, we get orange color shade. Okay. While coloring, you have to keep in mind that your coloring should be proper. Whenever you're moving the brush, your brush should move in one direction. Just look at this. Look at the brush, how I'm using this. Yes, it is going in one direction in this way. So you have to color the whole part in this way only, because if you use the brush in right or left, up and down, it will get a very shabby look. So we need a proper smooth finishing. So that's the reason we have to use the brush in one direction. Okay, so this is how you're going to color it. Okay, here we have colored the first secondary color, that is your orange color. We get orange color by mixing red and yellow, we get orange color shade. Now when we mix yellow and blue together, we get green color shade. Okay, so here I'm going to start coloring this part with green color. Just look at this. When we mix blue and yellow together, we get green shade. Okay, so here I'm started coloring this part with green color. This way. Yes, this is how you're going to use the green color shade. This is how you're going to color it. Just look at this. This is the way how you're going to color it to merge the color properly. Okay, there should be no patch in this coloring. Whenever you have to color, you have to color it nicely. Okay, there should be no patch in this. Okay, so just look at this. Here we have completed the coloring with the green part. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make the purple shade by mixing blue and red. Okay, here I'm using a blue color shade. Okay, and I'm mixing the red color shade together. By mixing red and blue, I'm getting a violet color shade. Here I have got the violet color shade. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start coloring this. I mixed red and yellow together for making the violet color shade. Just look at this. Here I've made the violet color shade. Whenever you're coloring, your color should be proper. The color should not go in any another shape. So this is how you're going to color the violet color. So this is how you're going to color the violet shade. There should be no patch. Your coloring should be proper. Okay, so this is how you're going to color it. So here we have colored completed with the primary and the secondary color wheel. Yes, as you can see here, I have completed with the primary and the secondary color wheel. As you can see, these three colors are your primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. These are your primary colors. And when we mix red and yellow, we get orange. When we mix yellow and blue, we get green. And when we mix blue and red, we get violet. Okay, so these are your primary colors and secondary color. So what you have to do is you have to do one thing. The thing is, you get some space over here. What you have to do is you have to make three boxes in this way. You have to make three boxes in this way. Okay, three box on this side and three box on this side. Here you have to write the primary color, and in this you have to write secondary colors. Yes, this is your primary color and this is your secondary color. So what you have to do is, first you have to color the primary colors. Your first primary colors is red color. So you have to color the first box with red. In this way you have to color the box with red. Then comes your yellow. The second primary color is your yellow. So you have to color the second box with yellow color. And your third box will be your blue color. Third box is blue color. Okay, red, yellow, and blue, these are your primary colors. Then come your secondary color. By mixing red and yellow, we get orange color. The first box you have to color with orange. The second box will be coming of your green color. The second box you have to color it with green color. And your third box will be of your violet color. Yes, which color? Violet color. In this way. Yes. Now what you have to do is you have to name this. The first one is your red, yellow, and blue. These are your primary colors: red, yellow, and blue, orange, green, and your violet is your secondary color. Is that clear, each and everyone? This is the way how you are going to do it. Yes, this is the way how you are going to do it. Just look at this. I hope each and everyone has understood this topic. Just have a look at this. This is the way how you're going to do it. Okay, you can take a take a marker or a pen for getting it much more highlighted. Easily it is visible. Red, yellow, blue, and here this is your orange, green, and violet. This is your secondary color. Okay, you have to highlight in this way. Secondary colors. And here you have to write the primary colors. Yes, so this was our today's topic, primary and secondary color. Now I'm going to ask you certain questions. You have to answer it.